Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope that you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete data from a table without deleting the whole table. Okay, let me explain. Okay, here we have a table under the name of student information, and I'm going to show you guys how to delete all this data from this table. But the column names like role, name, age, CGP and city will be still there. So let's get going. Let's select SQL. Then we have to write certain commands. Okay. For deleting data from a table, we have to use certain statement, and that is truncate, TRUM, truncate. Then we have to type table. There we have to denote table name. In this case, it is student information. So let's type it student information. Now as usual we have to use semicolon at the end. Now let's press enter plus enter. So here the localhost is asking us, do I really want to execute this command? I'm going to select OK. It's taking times. Okay. So you can see that MySQL returned an empty result set. 0 rows, that means all the rows are deleted. Now let's check it out. For that, let's browse. Okay, here you can see we have student information table still intact, but all the data under this table is deleted. That's all in this video. I hope you guys learned how to delete data from a table. I'll be back again with another video. Till then, take care and good luck and stay energetic. Goodbye.